Hey guys, how are you? So, today I will show you how to delete blank or empty rows automatically by adding script. Also, you can learn other things. Okay, so let's get started. So, there is a Excel sheet, three field, serial, name and cover. Okay, let me serialize it. So, I should use dynamic serial. Okay, so that it should be centerized, and let me, okay, so there are 42 serial. Okay, so all fields should be centered. Should be centered. Should be centered. Okay, so serial is done. So let me give name like name should be David. Sorry, David. Okay. Okay, so you can see all name David. It's a testing purpose name. So this would be bold. This would be this would be as bold. It's the header. Bold. This is bold. Okay, so serial name. And here I should add coupon. Coupon, like I can use the serial also. So no, so our main target is remove blank rows. Like I will clear number 5. Oh, sorry, let me use 5, serial 5. Clear serial 5 and serial 10. Clear serial 10 and like 20. Clear and 30. Clear and 40. Clear. So some fields are blank. So If I delete manually by clicking like this, like this, like delete row, it will cost too much time. So I will add script here, add script. Okay, so here I should input the code code. So this is the code. You can see I will attach that in description. So I should first copy all code and paste here and save. So rename it like remove flag. uh, yes. Okay, so I save the script. So here you can see there are empty fields here 5, 10, 20. Okay, so let's run the script. You can see those 5 empty fields are gone. Okay, it's cool. So when I click run, those empty fields will go. It's alright, but if I click every time the code run by manual, it's not very professional. Okay, so I will do automation. So let me delete serial 10 now. Clear 10 serial 20. Okay, I just cleared this 2 field. Okay, so here is the script. If I run now, the 2 field will be removed. So I want to make automation. For that I should go to triggers. You can have see triggers, create new trigger. Okay, so I should look up on rows. It will be row and it will run with header. This is the option. I should select time driver automation minutes every minute. So the code will run in delay of 1 minute. Okay, I will save it. So I just save the trigger. Now the field will automatically update every time after 1 minute. So let's wait and see. It's 1:24 a.m. now. Let's see. Okay, so it's gone automatically. Okay, so let me remove. Okay, so let me remove layer 15 and 20 now. Layer. Wait for the action. Wait like 30 minutes, 30 seconds or 1 minute. Waiting for 1 minute. So, okay, so it takes 1 or 2 minutes and the fill automatically update and remove all blank rows. I think it will be helpful in future. Thanks for watching.